Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, I hope you consider subscribing down below. So my today's vlog is all about the updates and results of this Okana skincare. So as you notice, I'm not wearing makeup. I only put a little bit of concealer, a little bit of blush on and a lip balm, so I don't really look pale on the camera because I'll be doing a night skincare routine later on. So before I start, disclaimer, this video is based on my experience. This is my own opinion and the experience is really depends on your skin type. And if you haven't seen the unboxing video of this product, I'm gonna put the link down below in my description box if you wanna see the packaging and if you wanna know the price. I mention everything in the unboxing video so you can check it out. So I've been using this Okana for over a week now, and all I can say is this is the best skincare ever. I've never regret. I'm very happy of what I purchased and it's really worth trying for, guys. And as I mentioned in my unboxing vlog that this product is organic because they're using a fresh vegetables and fresh fruits, which is really nice. So far, I really love my face now, guys. The redness gone, the oiliness, the dryness gone because my face before was dry, but now it feels like my face glowing and it looks smoother and it feels like so clean and so fresh, which is I love it, guys. Now I'm gonna show you the photo the night before I use Okana and the day after I use Okana so you can see the difference. So before I start my night skincare routine, guys, I want to show you again which one is my night skincare. So first step is this mango and apricot. So if you have your makeup on, it's too easy to remove your makeup by using this one, guys, the mango and apricot. And next is the apple juice cleanser. This is a foaming cleanser, guys. So this is the next step. And the third step is the scrub, the bamboo facial scrub, this one. So in the directions, you only need to use this 2 to 3 times a week, so it's not necessary daily. And the next is the toner cleanser. So this one, guys, I really love this. After I use this one, my face feels so refreshing and so clean, so one of my favorite. And then after is the last one, the night cream. This is, guys, it smells so good because this is a berry blend. Ayan, guys, so this is the last step. And so now I'm gonna show you my night skincare routine on how to apply it. So guys, that's it. That's my night skincare routine and all about Okana. I can't really give advice to those who have acne problems because I don't have acne on my face. All I have is oily face, dryness, and redness. But you can check out their website. There's heaps of feedbacks there before and after photo, so you can check it out. I'm gonna put their link down below in my description box. So that's all my video for today. If you like this video, I hope you don't forget to give me thumbs up, comment, and subscribe if you haven't done it yet. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now!